Today's video is a little scary video, right? A lot of people are trying to invest in real estate right now, and the market is crazy. The government is shut down, houses are sitting a little bit longer on the market, people are getting furloughed. There's a lot of things happening in this market. What I want my investors and those who follow this channel to understand is that real estate is about timing. There's always the right time, it's also the wrong time. When it's the wrong time, you must be conservative and watch your bottom dollar. Now is not the time for you to go ahead and just get deals just to get deals. Hi everybody, my name is Gene Garan. I am a real estate investor, also hard money lender. I help people like you who watch videos like this make real estate full circle. What I want you to be very mindful of is understanding that right now is not the time to play around. Right now is the time to be conservative and to offload things that you've been sitting on for way too long. When things are unpredictable, you must make a decision. Either you're going to hold or sell. That's a tough decision to make in this particular market. For those of you who are flipping properties, if you've been in the property for about 6 to 8 months post-renovation, meaning that you bought it, you renovated it, and it's actually on the MLS, you might want to take a moment to refinance this property or let it go. Now, you might have a loss, but still let it go. The longer you hold on to something that you either cannot refinance or sell, the longer you end up losing money. Now, if you can't refinance it, you can't even hold it, right? What I want you guys to understand is I'm doing the same thing. I've taken some L's on some properties where I broke even, where I had to refinance and put more money into it. I have videos about this all on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to make this video because some of you are very eager to get in real estate. Some of you are even in real estate right now. You're at the mid-high level in real estate. People at high level real estate, they understand this. The people that are just coming in at the mid-level, it's hard for them to understand because they don't have multiple projects going on. Remember, if you don't have any reserves, you don't have any cash to help you out and defend you in any situation, meaning that if you need to refinance, if you need to fix something on an inspection report, it's really hard for you to really navigate in the space of real estate. So this only applies for my fix and flip people. If you're doing rentals, that's cool. Right now, there's some stuff I'm hearing about Section 8, payments getting delayed. I have a property right now where Section 8 has been delayed. We haven't gotten payments on it. Just being honest with you guys. So there's a lot of things happening, right? That's what I mean about if you don't have enough money to back yourself. You gotta be able to have money to back yourself in real estate. So real estate is a risk. There's all risk in investing. So you gotta make sure that you are padding the cushion for your risk. To all my fix and flip people, pad the cushion as much as possible. Do not flip a property where your margins are right now conservatively $20,000, even 30, right? You want to be right around, I would say 30 to 40, 30 to 50, because if something happens, you have enough padding to absorb the hit. When you don't have enough padding, you can't absorb the hit. You end up losing. The longer you're on market, the more you're making those monthly interest payments. Remember, they're only interest payments only. The balance of the loan still remains. So when you sell it, you still got to pay the whole amount you borrowed, the purchase price and the rehab money you borrowed. If you didn't use all of it, that's fine, but you're still going to pay the difference. So you must pad up front so you don't lose on the back end. We say this all the time in real estate. You win on the front end. You don't win on the back end. All the preparation happens on the front end. So if these wholesalers are putting pressure on you, pass up on the deal. Look for something that makes sense for you. If you have to go out of state, find the right people out of state. Make sure you have the time to go out of state and flip these properties. Make sure you're actually getting connected and pad enough. It doesn't come without risk, right? Everything has risk, but pad enough so you can actually win. One more thing. Now is the time for you to be actually working with your contractors hands-on. No more, oh, I'm just going to leave it to my contractor. Go. Be more hands-on on your projects right now. Have the right person, you're meeting with them, having conversations with them daily, see what's going on with the market. Now, I'm not telling you to hover and shadow and to not give people breathing room to do their jobs. These are professionals. Your realtor's a professional. Your contractor's a professional. You may call them maybe once or twice in a week. You may want to call them 4 times this week. Say, hey, just want to check on the progress. Can you send me some updates? Is there anything you need? Sometimes I like to start a conversation is, hey, is there anything you need from me? Oh, boss, you know what? I need you to stop by and give me approval on this because that's been the bottleneck for them making a decision to move forward. Now's the time for you guys to take more precautions. Take your time to actually make your deals work, do your analysis the correct way. I teach on doing analysis all day long to make sure that you guys are not losing money. This is how we make real estate full circle. We don't want you to lose money. We want you to actually make money, or to say the least, break even and have a lesson that you learn going into your next deal. Try to take your time in this market. Don't rush. There's too many variables happening right now. Make sure you pad your deal to make money. If you like this video, you found some value, go ahead and subscribe below. We'll leave some resources for you guys on the bottom. Any questions, just let me know. Happy to respond to any of your comments. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. A lot of you watch the videos, you don't subscribe. I'm cool with it, but please help me and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. Take care. See you guys on the next video. Peace.